Hey, welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 25th, 2022. We're going to talk about Yearn Finance today and just give you all a price prediction into the market. You guys can see that I have a price prediction already plotted on the chart. We're going to talk about that, and then I'm going to let you know what I see going forward in the market in Yearn Finance. Now, to those who are new, welcome to the channel. This is HFN, also known as HueFin News. I create price predictions. I give you all the news according to the charts without the confusion, because we pay attention to what the market is overall trying to tell us from a money perspective. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit that like button. Share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I'm not here to pump you up, to hype you up, to FOMO you all into these cryptocurrencies, because it's pointless. Because as you all can see, cryptos also come down in price. So you need to be real. You all need to be paying attention to see that everything ain't kosher. Everything ain't happy and rainbows and cupcakes and ponies. Join the team. So you guys can see right here that I did a video in Yearn Finance right here on the June 25th, 2022. I'm looking for the market to go up, right? And you all can tell that it really hasn't given us that vigor, that monumental climactic move higher just yet. You all can see that the market buyers is running across some issues. Now, I identified where that issue could be, right? And it's right there around $7,850. That's the problem. Like, let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. We are not going to see the market in Yearn Finance run up until we see them take that price level out. The buyers have to take that out in order for us to see price run up. We already knew that on the 25th of June. So for us just to see this market in Yearn Finance trade sideways like this, we shouldn't be confused about it. We understand where the lid is. We understand where the top is into the market right now in Yearn Finance. So look at what happened though yesterday. Okay. Now maybe I should have lowered this horizontal line right here. Oh, excuse me. I should have lowered this horizontal line right here to possibly around 7,300. But I'm going to bring it up there a little bit higher. Okay. But just yesterday, this increase in volume, look at this volume. We have to see this. It's telling us that the market in Yearn Finance got hit with some selling right there around the area to which we expected it to happen. So is the market in Yearn Finance ready to break out above $7,800? Is it ready? Because if it is, then we don't need to change our price prediction. We just simply need to kick back and sit and wait until the market continues to move forward in our target areas. Okay. And I think that's what we're going to do. I think we're going to continue to go forward with our idea that the market in Yearn Finance is still a buy. Now, the problem though is that, look, we already been in this price prediction about a month, and the market hasn't really gone as high as what we really expected it. So we may see the market in Yearn Finance do this. Continue to go all the way down, and then eventually back towards the end of August, September, finally break out to the upside. That's a long time. That's about 2 months then for us just to see the market in Yearn Finance try to move up, try to run up in price. Another positive sign is us seeing that the price is currently in an upward trend. We need to maintain that. Okay, you all can see that there. And this is Yearn Finance on the 5-day chart. Our light would occurred here into the market in Yearn Finance. So it still kind of lets me know that the overall market is not massively weak. It's not massively bearish, but there was some selling that came into the market yesterday. So from out the gate right now, could we expect the price to go up? I wouldn't say so. I will be looking for it to kind of go down first. And my intention is going to be right here focusing on this trend line, this ascending line, because if the market buyers are not there, then the market in Yearn Finance is going to break below that and then try to find support around $5,000 to even $4,200, which will, like I tell you, which I told you earlier, it's going to be a while before we even see the market in Yearn Finance move up. Okay. So I think the biggest thing for me to tell you all is that this week here is going to be real important as to how the market's going to trade in the long term, right? We got 6 days and 14 hours left on these long-term time frames. The 5-weekly chart, it looked like this has been the bottom in the market in Yearn Finance. The 3-weekly chart, we got 6 days here too. So everything's going to be contingent on how we trade this week, for real. Okay, so I really want everyone to pay attention to see how the market trades as we go throughout this trading week, because if we see a lot of bullishness come through, then the long-term view will be for Yearn Finance to continue to trend higher. All right, so that is it. I am done. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm still looking for the market and Yearn Finance to trend higher. Only thing I'm going to do is just extend out this prediction a little bit further, and we'll continue to move the market that way. All right, questions, comments, let me know. Give me your price prediction, your price target as well. You know, I've spoken to you. I've shown you why I think the market in Yearn Finance is still going to trend higher. We just understand that right now, sellers are in control. We just need to see how low they'll take the price. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.